Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Jagjit Construction. Today I'm going to show you how to cut shower base tiles. This is a custom shower base, and first of all you need to know the width of the shower base and the length of the shower base. Once you have all this measurement, then you can lay down all the tiles down as I did here, and then mark the tiles. Once your marking done, then only one thing is left, is cut the tiles. But marking down is a very important step. This is the initial step, but once you're done the marking, 50% of your work is done. So just double check everything before you cut anything. Measure twice, cut once. So once you're done marking, and start cutting. Before you start cutting, please wear the protective glasses as well as dust mask. Those two things are very important. And then start cutting. Take your time and follow the line. That's all. So once you're done cutting, and separate those cut pieces away, and you will have a perfect rectangle shape tile base ready for your shower base. Thumbs up. So once you have your tile base ready, now is the time to cut your drain. So just get the exact measurement and trace it over to the tiles, and you can bring the drain cover upside down like that, and just get the mark. Just trace it over to the tiles, just like that. So once you have this marking, then just cut the drain out. Slow and steady win the race. Just guys, slow and steady.